And we're back in the studio. So today we're going to be doing a review on the new Klein KNECT small pass-through socket wrench set. The model on it is 65300, I believe. This is currently available at Lowe's. I actually got this for Christmas as a Christmas gift from my sister-in-law. Thanks, Sunshine. And we're going to do a review. So I've been using this now since Christmas, and it's pretty awesome. So let's go over it. So here we go. All right, so this is the set here. It's pretty awesome, I must say. Basically, it comes with 7 sockets, 21 screw bits, an extension, an impact adapter, and a 1/4" square adapter. And of course, you know, the actual wrench itself. So let's go ahead and open it up. But yeah, I'll go ahead and put the sizes, all the sizes it comes with right here. All right, so we have our box here. So this is the part of the mod box thing. This is Klein's new toolbox system where everything like clips onto it through this thing here. It also has a little 6-inch tape on the back. Okay, this guy is spring loaded, which is pretty cool. So you can open it up and it clicks back into place. It's pretty solid, so just the box itself is pretty nice. So here's what we got. Right here we have the actual wrench, and it uses a proprietary drive system. So it looks like this, and then that just kind of pops in there like that, and then it clicks in place. And then this is the pass-through, and you can tell that just because it's got a hole in the middle. This is the extension. You can see that has a hole. So this is great when you're working on unistrut and all thread. So, you know, you can actually go into the unistrut and tighten that. And this is a 1/2 inch. I believe it was 7/16 is what we use on there. So I was actually able to do this in the field, and I took a video of that. So let me show you how you can use the pass-through feature on unistrut and all thread.
So here's one of the ways you can use this. I'm on a PM here, and you can see that this is totally not supporting anything. So we want to adjust this. So here's what we can do. So that's going to be a 9/16 screw or 9/16 nut. So we have our extension hooked up. Now we can actually loosen it. Switch this. And now we can go ahead and lift it until it's actually supporting the furnace again. Okay, so we got her all tight. There we go. And it's actually supporting the furnace.
So super handy, right? So I come across that type of stuff all the time, but you can't always get to those nuts. But with this, totally can. So this is definitely living in my backpack now. But yeah, this kit comes with everything you could possibly need. The only thing that we could use is, I don't remember what size it is, but it does have the hex drives. It doesn't have the size for the gas valves. It's like the size in between this one and this one, which is unfortunate. So, but the cool thing is it does have a 1/4 inch drive here that you can use, you know, any kind of bit. So I'm probably going to add that size bit. But yeah, you can see here you can use the 1/4 inch. The 1/4 inch driver size, and then you can actually put the little bits in there, and then you can use that. Or if you need to do an extension, you can by doing that, just like that. So this is actually a really cool set. And what's really nice too is this guy is impact rated, so you can take your impact drive, pop this in here like that, and I can actually use one of these on my drill. And if I want to do something with the, what do you call it, with the alt thread, you know, just like I showed you in that video earlier, I can actually use the extension, pop that on there like that, and now I have a pass-through drill bit for my drill. So this is actually really cool that they thought about this type of stuff. And again, the nice thing about that is, you know, sometimes you're gonna have situations where you have that, you know, the all thread sticking out, and this, look how much space that gives you. And you can use your drill. You won't have to use the ratcheting all the time, which is really nice. And then it also has a conversion to a 1/4-inch square drive. So you can use this for any kind of 1/4-inch drive for like, you know, ratchets. Now I don't have any actual sockets, but I do have these 1/4-inch drive hex heads that I use for my bike repairs, and as you can see, it fits with anything. So you can pretty much, you know, if it's a 1/4-inch drive, you can just keep adding to it. So that's pretty nice. But what's really nice about these things is just the quality. I mean, this just feels really good, and I like this little touch here where they have the little logo right here on the back, and that's on the drive piece here. So that's a nice little touch. I guess they figure that you don't need a pass-through for that piece, so that's why it doesn't have that on there. But this is really nice. I really like it. So I'll be continuing to use this, so you'll probably see these in the field. And what I just realized too is you can put everything away, but there's a little space in here, so this is where you can add all your extra, you know, bits or whatever, you know, for the ones that don't fit, or the ones that it doesn't come with. So I'll probably be adding some bits to this kit, but I really like this. I'm probably going to look into the larger set, because they also have a larger set. I think it's a 3/8 drive. But yeah, this is really nice. I'm really happy with it. Best Christmas present ever. Didn't even know it existed till I got it. But hopefully this helps you out in making a decision on whether or not you want to purchase this. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am. Hit that bell notification and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.